Purchasing raw materials at the right time can have a significant impact on manufacturing costs. Market prices fluctuate constantly, making procurement decisions both complex and financially important. This solution helps procurement teams make more informed purchasing decisions through AI-driven price forecasting. The solution analyzes historical market data to identify trends, seasonality, and pricing patterns across key raw materials and utilities such as natural gas, electricity, ethylene, benzene, and other production inputs. Based on these insights, the model generates forward-looking price forecasts with expected confidence ranges, providing procurement teams with greater visibility into future market conditions. But forecasting prices is only part of the decision-making process. The solution includes an interactive procurement simulator that compares current market prices with forecasted price movements. Users can evaluate whether to purchase immediately or delay procurement based on the projected market outlook. As market conditions evolve, the solution measures the financial impact of each purchasing decision, allowing users to compare forecast-driven procurement strategies against immediate spot market purchases. This provides clear visibility into the potential savings or opportunity costs associated with different procurement decisions before commitments are made. The forecasting models can be built using historical procurement and commodity market data and adapted to the organization's specific purchasing requirements. The result is a decision support solution that enables more effective procurement planning, reduces raw material costs, improves purchasing timing, and helps organizations make more confident sourcing decisions in volatile markets. Ready to translate AI capabilities into business value? Contact our team to learn more.